Okay, so for number 2, given y equals x9 times x to the power of 4. So we are looking, cause we are finding for dy over dx. Alright, so we have to derive y with respect to x. Ano bang gamitin natin, class? Pag ganito lang ka simple, we do not anymore use power rule, no? I will not anymore use product rule. Ang gagamitin natin, class, pag ganito lang ka-simple na given equation, we just use power rule. Okay, so the derivative of y with respect to x is, of course, dy over dx. Sorry. So, pag gamitan natin, class, ng power rule, simplify natin muna y, then x9 times x to the power of 4 is just add x1, no? Parang ganito yung class actually. May 1, multiply natin, 1 times 1, then copy x, then 9 plus 4, no? Di pa tayo nag-derive, no? Simplify tayo. Y equals 1 times 1 is 1, times x is x to the power of 13. That's the time you will derivative of y. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx equals, how will we derive this one? Copy natin ang 13 times may coefficient 1 dito, no? Times 1 and x 13 minus 1 using power rule, di ba? Using power rule yan. So dy over dx equals 13 times 1 is 13 times x to the power of 12. Okay, so using power rule. So pag gagamitan natin, class, ng product rule, ano ba yun? Di ba? Y is equals to x what? x9, x4, no? x9 times x to the power of 4 using product rule. So using product rule, class, huwag na natin i-simplify na ganito lang. Diretso na yan siya. So the derivative of using product rule, no? So the derivative of y with respect to x is, of course, dy over dx, and then using product rule, kopyahin natin muna ang x9 and then times the derivative of x4. Ano ba ang derivative, class, ng x4? Equals, so using power rule dito, no? So 4, diba? Times may 1 dito, and then 4 minus 1. That is, of course, sorry, no, may x pa pala. So 4 times 1 is 4, then x, mali. Okay, so copy 4, the derivative of x4, copy 4, then x times, no? 4 times may 1 dito, so 1, then x 4 minus 1. So this will be 4 times 1 is 4, then x to the power of 3. So 4 x to the power of 3. Saan galing, class, ang 4 x to the power of 3? That is the derivative of x to the power of 4. Then plus, copy na naman ang x4 times the derivative of x to the power of 9. Ano ang derivative ng x to the power of 9? X to the power of 9, pag i-derive natin, class, kopya 9 times may 1 dito, yan, and then x 9 minus 1. This will be 9 times 1 is 9, then x to the power of 8. So meaning dito, class, is 9 x to the power of 8. So again, no, using product rule, the derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx equals equals, no? Then copy x9. Then the derivative of x4 is 4x cubed plus, product rule yan, copy x4 and then times the derivative of x9. X to the power of 9 is 9x to the power of 8. So after that, you will simplify, no? dy over dx equals, so x9 times 4x cubed. So 4, di ba? Plus multiplication, no? 4 times 1 is 4. X, you will just add the exponent. 9 plus, no? 9 plus 3 is 12. Alright? So, this is plus, okay, 9 times 1, may 1 dito. So, 9 times 1 is 9. X, then the same variable, just add the exponent. 4 plus 8 is 12. Okay. So, dy over dx, ano mangyari dito, class? They are like terms. They are like terms because the same ang variable x, the same ang exponent 12. So, meaning they are like terms. 9 or 4 plus 9 is 13 x to the power of 12. Right? Using product rule. Okay. Next example. And number 3. F of x. No, palitan natin ang f of x into y. Y is equals to 2x plus 5 times 3x minus 4. How will we derive this one? Pag gagamitan natin class ng power rule, all you have to do is to multiply this one. So medyo mahaba siya, no? Is to multiply 2x plus 5 times 3x minus 4 pag gamitan natin ng power rule. Okay. So we will just use, sige daw, we will try to use power rule. Using power rule, no? So in using power rule, anong gagawin natin? We have to simplify this one. So 2x plus 5 times 3x minus 4. So multiply natin yan, no? Okay, so 3x times 2x, 3x times 2x. How much? Okay, 3x times 2x is equals to 6x squared. Diba? So 6x squared. Number 1. Number 2. 3x. No? 3x times 5. How much? 3x times 5 is 15x. So plus 15x. Okay, next is, tapos na ang 3x, the next is negative 4. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8. No, negative 2x, not 2x. Negative 8x. So, minus, dito sa baba, 8x. Then, next is negative 4 times 5. Positive 5, that is negative 20. So, negative 20. Then, after that, you will add, bring down what? Bring down, wala nang iba, x square, maliban sa 6x square. So 6x square, then this one is like terms, copy x, then 15 minus 8 is how much? 7. Okay, 7, positive, no? So plus 7x minus 20. Okay, so nag-simplify lang tayo, class, no? So meaning your y is equals to 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. Then after that, pwede na tayo mag-derive using power rule. Okay, so the derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx equals, how will you derive 6x squared? How will you derive 6x squared? So, diba? 2 yan. So, 2 times 6. Number na sa tabi ng x is 6. Then, x 2 minus 1. Okay, so plus, of course, ang exponent ng x is 1. So, 1 times anong number na sa tabi ng x? 7. X, then 1 minus 1. Plus the derivative of constant. No? Wala nang variable x dito, constant 20. So, the derivative of any constant is 0. So, after that, you will simplify using your algebra. dy over dx is equals to 2 times 6 is 12. Diba? X, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so plus 1 times 7 is equals to 7. X, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, our dy over dx is equals to 12x, no, plus any number if the exponent is 0 is equals to 1. So, 7 times x to the power of 0 is equals to 1. And then dy over dx is equals to 12x plus 7 times 1 is 7 using power rule. Okay? So, ang ginawa natin class, sa the quantity of 2x plus 5 times the quantity of 3x minus 4 is we have to multiply yung dalawa na yan. So, the outcome is 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. Then after that, you will derive 6x squared plus 7x minus 20 using power rule. So that is, ito siya. So 12x plus 7. Now, using product rule. Using product rule. Right? So given, ano yun, y is equals to 2x plus 5. Okay, 2x plus 5 times what? 3x minus 4. Times 3x minus 4. Okay? So, using product rule, paano ba natin class? So, using product rule, we will not anymore multiply the quantity of 2x plus 5. I-remain na lang natin and then gamitan natin siya ng product rule. So, the derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx equals, okay, kopyahin ang quantity na 2x plus 5 times the derivative of 3x minus 4. So, ano ba ang derivative ng 3x minus 4? Equals, derivative of 3x is 3. No? May 1 dito. So, 1 times 3 is 3. And then, x, 1 minus 1. Sorry. Diretso ko na lang 1 minus 1. Then, the derivative of 4, constant 4 is 0. So, this will be 3x to the power of 0. Any number, if the exponent is 0, is equals to 1. So, meaning 3 times 1 is 3. So, times 3. Okay, plus. Okay, kopya natin ang 3x minus 4 times the derivative of 2x plus 5. How will you derive 2x plus 5? Diba? So, derivative of 2x is 2. So, may 1 dito. 1 times 2 is 2. And diretso na natin 1 minus 1 plus, plus the derivative of constant 5 is 0. So this will be 2x to the power of 0 or equals to 2 times 1 is 2. So yan. The derivative of 2x plus 5 is equals to 2. Okay, again, explain ko. Derivative of y with respect to x using product rule. So, dy over dx equals kopya ang 2x plus 5. Then, the derivative of 3x minus 4 is 3. Okay, plus, rules yan ng product rule. Copy 3x minus 4, the derivative of 2x plus 5 is 2. Ayan, no? So, after that, you will simplify. Simplify natin, no? Dy over dx. How will you simplify this one? Paano natin i-simplify ito? That is 3 times 2x plus 5. So, 3 times 2x, distribute, no? 3 times 2x, diretso ko na, no? 3 times 2x is 6x. Plus, 3 times 5 is 15. Okay? And then, ito na naman. O, plus yan. Positive. So, 2 times 3x is 6x. And then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And after that, you will simplify. Again, dy over dx is equals to, ano yung like terms dito? So, ito ang like terms, no? 6x plus 6x is 12x. 15 minus 8 is positive 7. Okay, using product rule. So, they are just the same. 12x plus 7 ba? Let's see. Okay, 12x plus 7. Okay, so number 3. Number 4 example. Kaya ba doon? Number 4, no? Palitan natin ang g of x into y using power rule, no? Product rule. Y is equals to 3x minus 2 4x plus 1. 3x minus 2 times 4x plus 1. Okay, so find the derivative of y times the quantity of 3x minus 2 times the quantity of 4x plus 1 using product rule. So we will not anymore using product rule. We will not anymore simplify this one. Okay, so derive na natin, no? Derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx equals what? Kopya natin muna ang term na yan, which is 3x minus 2 times the derivative of 4x plus 1. Ano ang derivative ng 4x plus 1? Diba? Ano ang derivative ng 4x plus 1? 4x plus 1. How will we derive this one? The derivative of 4x is 4. Diba? Diretso ko na. Derivative of 1 is 0. This will be equals to 4. Okay, so 4. And plus, copy 4x plus 1 times the derivative of 3x minus 2. The derivative of 3x is 3, di ba? And derivative of 2 is 0, so 3 times 3. Okay? So dy over dx is equals to, you will simplify this one, no? So 4 times 3x, how much? 12x. And then 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 plus, okay, ito na naman, 3 times 4x is positive 12x, and then 3 times positive 1 is positive 3. Okay, then collect like terms. Dy over dx is equals to 12x. Ano ba yung like terms dito, class? 12x, no? The same variable x, 12x. So that is 24x. Okay, so negative 8 plus 3 equals negative 5. So dy over dx is equals to 24x minus 5. Okay? Next example. Meron pa ba? Ito to. Number 7, no? Given y equals 3 square root of x plus 2x squared. Okay, using product rule. No, using product rule. So, palitan natin muna ang radical sign into exponential. Y is equals to 3x 1 half. Diba? Square root. That is 1 half. 1 half. Then plus 2 times x squared. So, you will derive this one using product rule. So, in using product rule, you will not anymore multiply x, no? I mean multiplying x squared sa loob. You will just use product rule. So, the derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx equals, kopyahin natin muna ang 3x 1 half plus 2 times the derivative of x squared. Okay, so the derivative of x squared is of course 2x. Diba? So times 2x. Then plus what? Plus copy x squared times the derivative of what? The derivative of derivative of 3x 1 half plus 2 equals, so how will we derive? 3x 1 half plus 2. So using, of course, power rule, no? Copy 1 half. This is equals, no? Copy 1 half, then times 3, then x 1 half minus 1. Then derivative of 2, constant 2 is 0. So this will be 3 times 1 half is 3 over 2. X negative 1 half minus 1 is negative 1 half plus 0. So this will be equals to 3 over 2 x negative 1 half. Okay. Again, no, using product rule, the derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx. So kopyahin natin ang 3x 1 half plus 2. Ito na siya. Then times the derivative of x squared is 2x plus rules yun, no? Copy x squared, and then ito na naman ang i-derive natin, and then the derivative of this one is 3 over 2x to the power of negative 1 half. So after that, you will simplify this one. Paano ba natin masimplify ang class, no? So dy over dx equals, diba, 2x times 3x 1 half, okay, plus 2, and then ayusin natin muna, no? X square and 3 over 2 x negative 1 half. How will you simplify this one? So distribute natin ang 2x dito, no? Okay, so dy over dx equals, distribute natin ang 2x dito. So 2x times 3x to the power of 1 half. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6, and then the same x, you just add the exponent. X, di ba may 1 dito, so 1 plus 1 half, and then next is 2x, no, times 2, positive 2, that is positive. Diretso na natin ng positive 4x. Okay, so next, ito na naman. Yan, so plus, no? Okay, so actually may 1 dito. 1 times 3 over 2 is 3 over 2. And then the same variable x, ano mangyari? You just add, no? 2 plus negative 1 over 2. Okay? So our dy over dx is equals to 6x 1 half plus 1 plus 1 half. We use calculator. 1/2, diba? Or 1 plus 1/2 plus 1 equals 3/2. Okay, so 3/2 plus 4x, and then plus, diba, 3/2. What is the exponent of x? So 2 plus -1/2. Stop, no? Clear. 2 plus, yan. So, -1/2, no? -1/2 equals 3/2. Okay, so 3/2. So, merong like terms, class, no? Saan dito ang like terms? Like terms ang dalawa, no? This one. Why they are like terms? The same variable x, the same exponent, 3/2. So, they are like terms. Pag hindi the same, they are not like terms. So, you cannot add. So, since they are like terms, we can combine 6x. We can combine this one, no? We can combine 6x to the power of 3/2 and, yeah, no? 3/2 x 3/2. So, how will you add? Kasi addition yan, no? So, i-arrange ko lang ng, maayos. dy/dx. Paglapitin ko ang like terms. Ayan, no? Plus 3/2 x 3/2 plus 4x. Okay? So, since this one, yan, like terms yan. So, ano mangyari pag like terms? You just add the coefficient kasi addition yan, no? Hindi yan siya multiplication. So, like terms ang dalawa na to kasi the same variable x, the same exponent 3/2, just add the coefficient. Okay, so 6 plus 3/2. 6 plus, 3/2 equals 15/2. Okay, so our dy over dx is equals to 15/2 x 3/2 plus 4x. Okay, so saan galing, class, ang 15/2? Dito sa 6x to the power of 3/2 plus 3/2 x to the power of 3/2 kasi they are like terms, no? The same variable, the same exponent. So since addition, you just add the coefficient. 6 plus 3/2 is 15/2. Right? So thank you for watching.